let's create a new detail item. So under File and New, I'll create a new family. I have two different detail item and detail item line based, and we'll create a line based. Here you'll see that we have three reference planes. We have a reference line. So we need to create a filled region inside the two reference planes. You'll see the length 1200 that we have. And I do that on top of the reference planes because then I can lock the lines to the reference planes. I want to have my thickness to 8 millimeter. So I change that into 8. And instead of locking it to 8 millimeter, I would like to have the opportunity to change the 8 millimeter in my project. So instead of locking it, I select the dimension or the temporary dimension and make it into a normal dimension. And that will give me the opportunity to change this dimension into a label and add a parameter, for example, thickness. It should be a type parameter, so whenever I change a type, it will be applied to all types in the project. So now I can control the thickness in my project when I finish this detail item. You can see that our filled region is a concrete block, and we just want this fiber cement to be white or have a fill pattern, a white fill pattern. So we duplicate the black one into white and then change the color to white. Before we finish this, it's a good idea to see, of course it's a good idea to change this, but to see if it works as a line-based family, it's a good idea to check to simply move the end reference planes and see if our fiber cement board will follow when we move them. And it seems that it works perfect. So I load this into our project and take our fiber cement panel, and then I can draw from A to B wherever I want to have this. I can select it, I can drag the endpoints. Another good example that I would like to show you, speaking about detail items or line-based detail items, is the dam-proof membrane that we need to have in our construction, and it should be very clear where it's placed. So you can see when I open this, I have made it red with the dashed line or a hidden line. Maybe we can change this into a 5 line weight.